Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will tell you what is phrase and what are the types of phrases. There are four types of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, ejective phrase, adverb phrase and a prepositional phrase. So let's discuss all these types one by one. What is phrase? Actually, a group of words is called a phrase, and it can be short or long, but it doesn't include the subject and verb. A baby in the cot, naughty children, is reading, beautiful dress, in the room, and very intelligent are some examples of different types of phrases. So, in these phrases, you can see that there is no subject and verb. Let's discuss first of all what is noun phrase. A noun phrase is any noun or pronoun along with its modifiers such as an adjective, adverb or article. Grammatically, a noun phrase can be a subject, object, subject complement or object complement in the sentence in which it appears. Look at these sentences. The school children are playing in the ground. Here in this sentence, school children are acting as a subject of this sentence. I read this news in yesterday's newspaper. Here in this sentence, yesterday's newspaper has been used as an object. He is an honest person. Now, honest person is a noun phrase and it's telling us about its subject, that is he. So it would be called as a subject complement. My appreciation made her happy. Now this word happy is used as a object complement of this sentence. What is verb phrase? A verb phrase is any number of verbs working together, and it includes a verb and one or more helping verbs. Verb phrases are composed of helping verbs and a main verb. Helping verbs help a verb expressing time or state of being. For example, he has been sleeping, will contact, may have written, is playing. In all these examples of verb phrase, you can see that these phrases are telling us about the different timing. Has been sleeping is telling us about present perfect continuous. Will contact is telling us about the future timing. May have written about the possibility, and is playing is telling us about the continuity of time. What is ejective phrase? An ejective phrase is a group of words that describes a noun or pronoun in a sentence. And to find an ejective phrase within a sentence, you will have to locate the ejective and then determine which words are describing or adding meaning to the ejective. The ejective in an ejective phrase can appear at the start, end, or in the middle of the phrase. And the ejective phrase can be placed before or after the noun or pronoun in the sentence. Look at these sentences. The final exams were unbelievably difficult. Here, unbelievably difficult is an ejective phrase and which has been used at the end of the sentence. Everyone was extremely delighted when the winner was announced. Here, ejective phrase has been used in the middle of the sentence. Better results can be achieved by hard work, and in this sentence, better results that is our ejective phrase has been used at the start of the sentence. Prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that lacks either a verb or a subject and that functions as a unified part of speech. It normally consists of a preposition and a noun or a preposition and a pronoun. And prepositional phrases always consist of two basic parts at minimum, the object and the preposition. Because prepositions are used in these phrases, that's why they are called a prepositional phrase. Prepositions are almost always followed by the objects. For example, in the room, on the table, above the sky. Here in these example you can see that in, on and above are followed by their objects, that is room, table and sky. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and keep watching the channel for more lectures on grammar, linguistics and literature.